Finley, and I am in an amazing kitchen today to share with you. I have clients that built this home in the 90s. It was a very lovely home, but at some point they wanted it to be a little more updated and have a little better floor plan for the way their family was functioning. And they added on almost 1,000 square feet. And during that renovation, they created this magnificent kitchen. In this kitchen are 7 or 8 of the most unique and clever design choices I have ever seen, and I had to share it with you today. So I have number 1 and number 2 right here in this corner, which is the transition between the formal living room. We have a wet bar here, and then the mud room back here. So they needed a barrier between those two spaces. And look at these gorgeous custom pocket doors that they put in. Rather than just a plain old white door, I thought that was a really neat design choice, and they can tuck it away when they're not needing it. The second thing is, this was the pantry to the original kitchen. The contractor was gonna rip it out, but she knew extra storage would be a premium. She kept it, and this became her cleaning closet. Number 3 is right here. This was the site of the original kitchen, and they kept it and turned it into a wet bar. They entertain a lot, they have 3 kids, it's a busy household. Look at this great functionality at this wet bar. They have an ice maker, they have an extra beverage refrigerator, and if you can zoom in on this, we have this really cool elevated style sink that I think makes the ticket work. Okay, here we are for one that's fairly common, but I thought they did it really clever. Again, we're talking about storage. It looks like underneath this eat-in area on the island that there's nothing there, but when you look closer, we have some really great hidden storage for that special occasion stuff. So 5 and 6 are right here near the cooktop. Who wouldn't use this warning drawer all the time, whether or not it's for kids coming home late from sports or entertaining? You know you're gonna keep things in there a lot and be thankful you have it. And then you wouldn't be able to tell, but on either side of this cooktop, we have hidden storage that are used primarily for spice racks. So 7 and 8, 7 is pretty common, a little prep sink also in the island, that helps a lot. But how about this one? I bet you couldn't guess if you tried. You open it up, you lift it out, and inside you have a removable compost bucket. These folks garden a lot and they used it almost every day. 9 and 10 are right here. Number 9 is really just a style choice that I thought was gorgeous, which was this custom concrete sink. Big, meaty, and it fits perfectly with the style. And number 10, I saved the best for last. I know you've never seen this before. It is these windows that they put in as backsplashes. How clever, you bring in all this light, you get a beautiful view of their 1 acre of land. I think it's a great choice. I hope these ideas that elevate style and make a kitchen more functional are inspirational to you as you work on your kitchen renovation.